Hi, my name is Petr, and in this video I'm going to show you how I created a very simple 3D printed holder for growing avocado from seed in water. I bought a vase in the local shop and the vase was cheaper than $2. The vase should have straight sides so that the avocado pit holder works smoothly when the water level changes up and down. All I need to measure is inside diameter of the vase. And then I quickly designed a floating holder in Blender. It took me less than 10 minutes. First, I created a cylinder with a slightly smaller diameter than the inner diameter of the vase. Then another cylinder with a diameter larger than an avocado pit. I used a logical operation to create the hole in the first cylinder. In sculpt mode, I deformed the inner hole to have 4 handles for the avocado pit. In the next step, I created a sphere that has slightly smaller diameter than the hole and enlarged it in the Z-axis. I again used a logical operation to create the difference between the floating holder and the sphere. As a last thing, I created a box that created space in the holder after using a logical difference to make the holder more flexible. The holder is designed can be exported to the STL file and opened in Slicer. In Cura, I turn on the option to spiralize the outer counter, select the PETG material, edit some material for the initial layer and slice it. When we look at the preview, we see that the top part has disappeared. That's because it's cut in vase mode. I started printing and within an hour I had a new floating avocado pit holder that fit the vase beautifully. I made 2 holders with different sized holes for the seeds. You can download STL files from the link in the description. If you found the video helpful, like it, subscribe and hit the notification button.